this is Jill Sessa of AskJillSessa.com. The topic today is a little bit different, but it is still going to be a training video. And this is an important aspect of marketing, making money online, whether you are a local business owner that is using online resources, or you are like me and primarily make your income online. It's twofold. First of all, on the personal development side, I know it's been said beforehand, but Jim Rohn is sort of most famous for talking about this. Taking the first 10% of your income and reinvesting it in your personal development, in training, whether it be intellectual and business training or even emotional and personal mental development. Are you doing this? Are you really thinking about doing that first? And I happen to think that it's one of the quickest ways to get to prosperity. I am looking very much forward to having to spend $100,000, 10% of my income. The locales get better the more money you need to spend on your personal development. And I don't say this to brag, but just to let you know that I walk the walk. I've spent over $40,000 this year on my personal development. It's already coming back to me in spades. And one of the ways that we do this is through affiliate marketing. And this is an aspect of online marketing that anyone can take advantage of. And also, everyone should be very comfortable with it. So when somebody gives you an affiliate link or you see one, rather than hesitating and saying, some people feel kind of stuck when they see one. Instead, look at it as a great opportunity. The universe is going to welcome you for passing money forward, and in turn will get money back to you. It's absolutely how it works, okay? So as you become more comfortable with passing money through others in order, for good products, in order to grow, then it allows the channel to be open for you to be a better receiver. You need to be a good receiver as well. And in order to do that, you have to start to put opportunities out into the universe. So very quickly, let's hop over. I'm going to show you, actually, over on my blog. I actually have a resource page on here, and these are tools that I love. And per FCC regulations, I do have a disclaimer letting people know that I will make money. I let people know that these are affiliate links because there's nothing wrong with it. For instance, I'm a member of MLSP, or my blog is Thesis. So if you actually go down to the bottom of your blog as well, there's a link right here, right? Well, that could be an affiliate link. You can make some money when somebody else, this is a premium fee, means I purchased it. For instance, I'm with MLSP. Getting these links, I believe it's ethical. You should purchase and own every product that you also affiliate. But these links are available. For instance, for MLSP, they're available in the back office. There's actually an entire page for different affiliate programs that you can belong to. And you're helping other people by recommending products to them. This is a wonderful strategy to help you get paid. This is an affiliate link, okay? Everybody's seen this around the internet these days, but it's got my name at the end of it. It's an affiliate link. These are good things. You want people to click on them, and you want to feel okay with it. And you should be clicking on other people's affiliate links, because then you're basically saying, I'm open to passing along some of my personal wealth in order to receive other people's wealth as part of my own earnings. That it's okay for you to make money. It's okay for you to make money online. And there's some really wonderful ways to do it that you can help others. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to take them. I'll let you know that I do have a product myself coming out. So check back to the blog. I recorded this video before I posted it. So please do check back. And again, most important, be you, be unabashedly you. And I look forward to seeing where that takes you.